Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick. This video will be a tutorial. We will show you step by step how you insert the SIM card, and if you want to add additional SD card for more memory, also we're going to show you how to do this if you have the HMD Vibe. So make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. First, you are required to have a SIM ejector tool. Now, if you don't have a SIM ejector tool, something look like this, you can find one in the box. You can use needle, pin, anything will fit the hole on the SIM tray of the phone. In addition to this, we have the SIM card. Now, most of the track phone phones, Straight Talk, they already came with a pre-installed SIM card, but for whatever reason, if you want to replace or if you change your phone from one to another, maybe you need to take your old SIM card, put in a new one. Also, if you want to add SD card, you can add up to 128 gigs. So first of all, grab the SIM tool, go to the phone, go to the left side, you're going to see the SIM tray over here. Next to it's going to be a hole. Just put the SIM ejector tool inside the hole and the SIM tray will pop. Now in your fingers or your nail, you can take it out. And let me show you the SIM tray. You're going to see two faces. This face has to be up. Also, it's going to tell you where you go with the SD card and where is the SIM card goes. In addition to this, if you look to the SIM tray, you're going to see a curve on the corner and that will match your SIM card. Go ahead and grab your SIM card. Make sure the curve to the curve. The side of the number has to be the up side. And also when you put the SIM card, you make sure it's nice and flat like this. And even if you flip it upside down, it's not gonna fall. That means it's so tight and ready to go. Same thing with the SD card, where it says the size of the SD card also has to be from the face up. So go ahead and insert it exactly same as I'm doing right now. And both, they have to go in the place, just like this. Nice and flat. And then grab your device and start inserting. Just like this. Make sure that goes smooth, nothing jammed inside. When you power your device, most likely you might get a message that you inserted SIM card. You might need also to reboot your device because sometimes it may not gonna work. And that should do it for this video. I wish you guys find it helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here in Variety Stick. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we'll talk to you in another video.